Hey guys, Ashley Pederson here with Promo Realty, and welcome to 2304 Green Meadow Drive. This is a great custom built home, ranch style. You have two spacious bedrooms on the main level. The primary suite has a study located outside of it. Also, nice big walk-in closet with a washer and dryer area. The gorgeous bathroom in there, tile walk-in shower, nice tub. Also, you have a coffee bar in your primary bathroom as well. The kitchen you're going to love. The custom cabinetry, especially the beautiful hood above the stove, nice big center island. And then downstairs, you have a finished basement with two more bedrooms that are nice size, and they each have their own bathroom as well. Family room, wet bar, 3-car garage. This home has it all. So sit back and enjoy the tour.